my name is Kriswansi Astiadi from class 12, Science 2, absent number 10. Now, I will tell you about the use of skincare product for teenagers. The use of skincare or facial care is considered to help maintain facial skin health. The use of the right type of skincare certainly makes facial skin shine and brighter. Not only people who have entered adulthood, the use of skincare is needed by children in their teens to avoid various health problems on the face. According to Jessica Wu, a dermatologist in Los Angeles, there are many facial skin problems that are often encountered by teenagers, such as acne, blackhead, and excess oil production, which are the most common complaints for children who are starting to enter teenagers. The hormonal change that teenagers experience can make facial skin change. Even though it looks complicated, the use of skincare is useful for treating and maintaining the health of facial skin from an early age. It's better from now on, don't be lazy to use skincare so that you can experience several benefits for facial skin, such as, first, provide nutrition to facial skin. Generally, teenagers spend a lot of time outside the home. This condition makes the face more exposed to dust, cigarette smoke, sunlight, and other air pollutants. There is nothing wrong with using skincare after you have been active all day so that facial skin remains properly nourished. Facial skin will look brighter and radiant even though many outdoor activities. Second, delaying the appearance of wrinkles. At a young age, avoid wrinkles that may appear by using the right skincare for facial skin types. As a person gets older, this condition also reduces the elasticity of facial skin so that wrinkles appear on the face. The use of skincare in adolescents can help avoid wrinkles on the face. Third, maintain facial skin softness. The use of regular and proper skincare can help you maintain the softness and elasticity of the skin on the face. We recommend that you use skincare that contains collagen in it. Collagen is one of the ingredients that is quite important for skin health because it can keep facial skin elastic. Fourth, avoiding dull skin. The use of skincare can hydrate facial skin so that you avoid dull facial skin condition. Skin that is well hydrated has a balanced level of moisture. But keep in mind, you should choose and use skincare that suits your skin types and age so that the benefits you feel are more optimal. Ask your doctor about the nutritional needs and vitamins needed to treat facial skin. The price of skincare, which is quite expensive, is sometimes an obstacle for some women. However, not all facial treatments are expensive. You should do this method so that facial skin health is maintained. Routinely cleaning your face makes your face healthier. Always clean your face from facial makeup or dirt before taking a break to help the skin regenerate process at night. Before using skincare or cleaning your face, don't forget to clean your hands so that bacteria don't move from your hands to your face. Don't forget to use sunscreen and moisturizer before doing various outdoor activities to avoid direct sun exposure on facial skin. Routinely using sunscreen on the face prevents the face from various health problems. That's all from me. Thank you.